Go for this again with me. So you
buy the boneless saltfish.
Yes. And then?
Put it in a pan with some cold water.
Yes.
You snap and you watch it until it's ready to boil up. When it boil up, you throw off that water.
Yeah.
You put some fresh water. Let it boil again. When it boils for the second time, you throw off the second water. And you rinse it off with some cool water.
Okay.
It looks like a bone. No, it's not.
So it's the onions is putting in now?
Onion, yes. You could cut it as fine as you want.
Okay.
However you want it. Onion and tomato, and squeeze some lemon juice and some olive oil.
So once you boil it once and you boil it again, and then you throw the cold water to wash it off, so all the salt should go by then?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you know the salt has gone to, say, you might...
I know because I tested it already.
Oh, you just taste a little bit yourself before?
I didn't taste this one, but I taste before.
Okay. So the fish comes the same salt all the time then?
Saltfish, yes.
So I'm just watching you do this. So I learn and then make myself afterwards. I'll find a way to make saltfish now.
You know how to do the fish?
What? I know how to do it now. So what I do, I boil it once.
No, not this.
The saltfish. Now boil it again.
I'm talking about the next one.
And then cold water on it afterwards. What, the mackerel?
Yeah.
But that's another story. That's going to have to be another one.
When I'm doing it, I'll show you.
Yes.
I'll do a packet later.
Okay.
For supper.
There you go. So tomato bit, that's fine. I can that bit I understand. Now
you put how much pepper you want to put. Squeeze some lime juice.
Let me see how you put your pepper now. Any particular pepper you're using? Yeah.
You use pepper, so it's alright.
What's that?
I say you like pepper, so it's alright.
Okay, a little pepper sauce, yeah. Not too much. And then your lime juice. Lime or lemon?
Lime, lemon, as long as you could get juice. Cut the fresh. Give it a nice taste.
So what does the lime do?
Do the same thing. Cut the fresh and give it a lovely taste.
Okay.
Right, I'll leave this for my thing later.
Okay.
For the boil now.
Okay. Oil over it. Now what you do? Just mix that up now?
It's up to you to mix it up when you're ready.
And that's it?
That's it. That's your saltfish ready.